In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix failed transactions in Coinbase Wallet. If you're running into errors when trying to send crypto, this walkthrough will help you send successfully and avoid the most common pitfalls. Let's start inside your Coinbase Wallet app. Open the app and make sure you're on the correct account where your assets are stored. Before you hit send, check your wallet balance carefully. You need enough of the token you're sending, plus a little extra to cover network fees, often called gas. On each blockchain, gas is paid in the chain's native token. For example, Ethereum transactions require ETH for gas, Binance Smart Chain uses BNB, and Polygon uses Matic. If your balance is just enough for the transfer but you don't have the native token for fees, the transaction will fail. Leave a small buffer so fees can fluctuate without causing issues. Next, verify the recipient address and the blockchain it belongs to. The address must match the network you're using. ETH should go to an Ethereum address on the Ethereum network, BNB should go to a BSC address on BSC, and so on. Many addresses can look similar across EVM-compatible networks, so don't rely on appearance alone. Double-check the first and last few characters and confirm the network with the recipient before you proceed. If your app shows a network tag for the address, make sure it aligns with what you intend to use. Now confirm your network selection in the app. If you're sending BNB, select the BSC network. If you're sending ETH, select Ethereum. Choosing the wrong network is a common cause of failed or misplaced transactions. Only proceed when the asset, the recipient address, and the network all match. If transactions are failing or getting stuck, try increasing the gas or transaction fee. During busy periods, low fees can cause your transaction to be delayed or dropped. Use the fee setting in Coinbase Wallet and pick a higher option like medium or high to improve the odds of quick confirmation. If a previous attempt failed, wait for it to clear or retry with a higher fee. Make sure your Coinbase Wallet app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include performance improvements and support for recent network changes, which can resolve unexplained errors. If you're still seeing persistent errors after these checks, reach out to Coinbase Wallet support. Share your transaction details, such as the network, asset amount, and transaction hash if one was generated. This helps the team diagnose the issue quickly. Follow these steps, and you'll greatly reduce failed sends and get your crypto where it needs to go with confidence.